Hello and welcome back. In this video, let's learn about how to create users or add your team members.
In this section, we're going to learn about team management. Team management is all about team collaboration. You can create a username for your operators, drivers, mechanics, and so on. You can add users from your app. Click on the Center More icon, click on Team and Operator Management. Now click on Add Team Member. You can pick a contact from contacts, or you can enter manually. Enter name, user ID, password, and other details. Give them access to areas like inspection, work order, and so on as per their role. Usually, driver or operator gets inspection and daily reporting, mechanic gets inspection and work orders and inventory, admin gets all. As soon as you add it, they'll receive a notification with their credentials. You can create inspection forms from your apps. You can use your mobile browser also to log into Portal. Once you are logged into the web portal, click on the Team Management icon on the left-hand side. Once you click on Team Management, click on Add Team Member on the top. This will open a new window. Now you can add a team member. You can select role as operator, technician, or employee. Add name of your user, create ID, password. You can also add notification email, so they will receive notifications via email. You can give them access to different modules like inspection, workloader, inventory, and so on. This is completely role and access-based system. Their app home screen will change as per access. For example, if you give access to inspection module to your driver, they will only see inspection icon on their home screen. If you also add fuel log and incident reporting to your driver, they will see all three icons on his or her home screen. Same way, you can set up mechanic profile as per your business process. You have option to give them read and write privileges, and also make approver if your workflow requires any approvals. You can assign them a vehicle so they can see only those vehicles. That's it. Now click on Add Team Member and you're done. Congratulations! You've just created your first user.